Yeah, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can use the SEONAVE web utility tools. So there are about 3 categories for now. More tools will be added later. We have research tools, developer tool, and content tools. So in research, you can use check the status of a website. Is it online? Is it offline? The SSL, do the DNS, reverse IP lookup, redirect checker, and all those in domain IP lookup. For example, you can do that. Then for developers, SSL minifier, JS minifier, a lot of this. You know how to use it. So UTM builder, UTM builder. Then under content, you can generate those default theorems if some generate content, clean a text, word density, word counter, convert case. You can do all that. Let me quickly do an example here. Let's check. Okay, let me just quickly use this. This CNN.com. Let me check this. It's on I. So at times you want to, and then the load time, the code is about 300. If you want to do that, revise IP lookup. Can we do this for you put the IP there and then you search to see what's happening there. So for web developer, they know what to use this and what to do with it. Let's do this. Let's check this. This is CNN.com again. So you can do that. You see where the domain register date. It was registered in 1993. CNN.com registered in 1993. 2020. That was last. Also, it's going to expire in 2026. You see, this is their name servers, and what is this now right now? Then this is coming from which server? So whole of that. So that's how to use any of those tools. Just use, simple and easy to use. If you need it. Thank you.